Hi, this is Rubel from Tech Review. Today I am here to show you how to fix Windows Update error 0x80248007. To fix this error, I will show you 3 different methods. Hopefully one of them will work for you. So let's try to fix the error. Right-click on the Start menu. Click on Windows Terminal Admin. Click on Yes. After opening the Windows terminal, type the command, net start MSI server. Press Enter. Now close the Windows terminal, and restart the computer. After restarting, hope your problem solved. If it did not resolve the problem, click on the Start menu, type Service. After appearing the service, click on it. On the right side, find a service, which name is Windows Update. Double-click on it. Under the Startup type, click on this drop-down menu. Select Disable. Click on Stop. Now click on Apply, and OK. Don't close the service window, open this PC. Double-click on the C drive. Windows. Software distribution. Now open the data store. And delete all files from here. Back to the software distribution folder, and open the download folder. Select all, and delete all files from here. Give a check mark on Do this for all current item. Click on Continue. Now close this folder. In the service window, double-click on Windows Update. Under the Startup type, click on this drop-down menu, select Automatic. Click on Apply. Click on Start. And OK. Now restart the computer. After restarting, hope your problem solved. If it did not resolve the problem, right-click on the Start menu. Click on Settings. After opening the settings, on the right side, scroll down and click on the Troubleshoot. Click on the other troubleshooters. Now on the Windows Update, click on Run. Please wait, it will take some time, and follow the instruction of this wizard. It will automatically fix the error, after finishing the troubleshooting. Hope your problem solved. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this. Please do subscribe to my channel. Also give a like please. Take care.